Alright. I got some light, I guess, but...
Oh my god, that's a heavy load.
That's what she said. Here we go. I don't think this one's as bad.
Alright. Wait for some water to come out the
nipple
bottom.
right there.
Oh. Boo. Oh, there you go.
A little bit. Nothing like that other one, man.
What about behind you?
Where?
Like the drywall up behind you.
Like right here?
Yeah.
I don't see any bows in it.
There's some in the bathroom. You see that?
Let me probably get the
Look
bathroom.
at the bathroom. Careful.
Yeah.
Woo! That's not right.
Oh, it's pretty good.
Hey!
Oh yeah, I'm glad you got this on video. Mine's not working. Or I don't know how to work it. One of the two.
I'm gonna say B.
I'm gonna punch you in the ball.
Big Sam.
Alright.
Nice. Good work.
Alright.
Going back in here. Yeah, that's already got tore out, looks like.
There's still a big board down here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Ew. There's a stain in the mud.
Nice.
Yeah.
Your little Gatling gun? What the hell that was?
Oh, and through. Oh, that's fucking could have done without that. Yeah. Hey, you want some popcorn? It may have a little bit of a funny accent. But I think it's alright.
There's a garage. Hasn't even been touched yet. And the cars.